Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to SMKit. In this tutorial, I'll explain how we can draw or design dustbin as you see on the screen. I just draw this one in 3D. We will start our tutorial with 2D first. So I will go to here, 2D wireframe, and here also I will go to the top view. And we'll keep this one side. Okay. First of all, we will draw one rectangle, which will be dimension on x-axis will be 50 and height will be 100 on y-axis and rotation will be 0. Okay, and just we will explode that, and I will draw one line from here to top. We will delete that later on, but we need it for now. And we will just track this point. We will move it here, only this point with 10 degree. Okay, one circle with 5 unit, and we'll move the circle from this base point and keep it here. And then we will extend this is to here, and here also just small extension we need to do. Okay, and then we will trim this portion and also here this portion. Okay, we'll delete this completely, and here also need to trim this portion. Just completely delete this point or these lines. Now we'll do fillet here, fillet with the radius, and this radius I will give 5 from here to here. Okay, and we will join all these lines together. Now I will draw one which will be here. The dimension on x-axis will be 5 and on y will be 10. Okay, and also here I will just fillet the corners. This fillet here I will give 2 units, and here I will select multiple, so one time we can just give the radius and click on the each corners to get the fillet. Okay, I will array this, go with rectangle first. Okay, and just I don't dimension from here to here. Okay, I don't have that, so what I will do, just I will just track one line from here to here, and then I will move this line from here to this portion, and I will copy this complete array again one more time with this base point, and I will keep it here. So it's completely adjusted. Okay, and again I will exclude that because I don't need all of them for now. So I'll remove this portions which I don't need. Okay, and also here I will just rotate that with some base point from here. That will be minus 8 degree. You can go with 10 also, but just go here for minus 8 degree. Now we will extrude these rectangles. I'll go here with the 30 units. Now, if we go to here, it has been extruded. Now I will revolve this section. So we have command revolve. We will select this, enter. This is the first point, second point, and 360 degree. Okay. Now we will see here. You can see the extrude circle is not extrude the rectangle not coming completely out from here. So we will just need to move these rectangles little bit up. Or better we can go to this side. So easily we can see, yeah, now it's coming out from the this dustbin sides. Okay. Now what we need to do, again we need to array. Okay. So I will just array these rectangles, enter. Here I will go with the polar and axis of rotation also I'll select. So the axis of rotation is here, this midpoint to this midpoint. Okay. By default, it is coming 6 item. Here I will go with, I'll say with 25 item. Okay. Now if you go to 3D mode, I will go to realistic. You can see this. Okay. Now the last point, we have to exclude also this array, enter, and we need to subtract it. So SU for subtract, select here, enter, and we'll, because I'm selecting the surface only. So again here continue, and then select all these portions, enter. So now you can see our dustbin is ready. I'll just delete this line. Any no need for that line anymore. You can see here it just looks completely realistic, and just you can give any color depending on your requirement or your design. Here I'll give red color. Okay. So I hope something you learn from here.